Good morning. The resurgence seen in industrial production has not really cheered the market. Some argue it's more of a statistical delight given the low base effect. With retail inflation spiking, investors are worried that the RBI may choose to delay the much awaited rate cut. The indices are set to open flat to positive. Asian markets are trading higher after Japanese exporters are clocking gains on bourses. The yen is down to an 8-month low against the dollar. US indices ended flat as investors sought more concrete action from the Fed. The US Federal Reserve announced a stimulus plan to boost the country's economy. Fed taking sides with American jobless rule to keep the interest rate between 0 to 0.25% until the employment falls to 6.5%. The BSE is set to launch the first SME index tomorrow. Infosys announced that its American depository shares have started trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol INFI. The company is in the process of listing its ADS on the Paris and London exchanges of New York Stock Exchange Euronext. Hindustan Unilever saw weakness following reports that Unilever's Indonesian subsidiary has agreed to pay a higher royalty payment to Unilever. Public issues seem to be lapped up with delight. NMDC's 10% disinvestment saw the government mop up about 59 billion rupees. The IPO of PC Jeweler was subscribed 6.7 times. Meanwhile, SEBI chief has expressed concern that between 2009 and October this year, 134 companies filed DRHPs and most of them either withdrew it or they allowed the SEBI observation to lapse. In what is said to give a boost to the corporate bond market, RBI Deputy Market HR Khan said the central bank is contemplating to allow a repo and certificate of deposits issued by bank and commercial papers by corporate along with allowing the FIIs in currency future markets. The International Agency for Energy IEA yesterday predicted the demand for oil to be sluggish in 2013 as economic expansion is set to remain tepid in most countries. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 9.52 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 3.65 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 18.28 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is: we recommend buying Reliance Infra above Rs 524 for the target price of Rs 546 and stop loss placed at Rs 513. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Infosys December future above Rs 2315 for the target price of Rs 2355 and stop loss placed at Rs 2295. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.